Hi there. We will look into 20 PMP exam questions based on resource knowledge area. I am Mark. Welcome to PMP Exam Express. Let's get into it. Please don't forget to subscribe. 1. During a resource planning session, Sam, a project manager, realizes that the skills required to complete a task are not available within the team. What should he do next? A. Extend the project deadline to train the team. B. Outsource the task to a specialized vendor. C. Perform a resource gap analysis to identify required skills. D. Reallocate the task to available resources. Answer: C. Perform a resource gap analysis to identify required skills. Explanation: the project manager should first identify the gap in skills before making decisions about training or outsourcing. 2. Maria is estimating activity resources for her project. The project sponsor requests she allocate senior engineers for all tasks. However, she believes junior engineers can handle some tasks. What should Maria do? A. Follow the sponsor's request to avoid conflict. B. Use the senior engineers for the entire project. C. Allocate resources based on skills required for each task. D. Increase the project budget to hire more senior engineers. Answer: C. Allocate resources based on skills required for each task. Explanation: resources should be allocated based on actual needs and not based on hierarchy or assumptions from stakeholders. 3. A project manager, James, notices that a key team member is consistently missing deadlines. How should he address the situation? A. Ignore the issue, hoping it will improve. B. Fire the team member immediately. C. Discuss the issue with the team member privately and offer support. D. Assign another team member to all the tasks. Answer: C. Discuss the issue with the team member privately and offer support. Explanation: the project manager should address the issue privately and provide guidance to improve the performance. 4. Lisa, a project manager, has identified a shortage of resources for the project's final phase. What should she do next? A. Delay the project until more resources are available. B. Request more resources through the organization's resource management team. C. Assign overtime to current resources to meet the deadline. D. Adjust the scope to reduce resource needs. Answer: B. Request more resources through the organization's resource management team. Explanation: the project manager should follow proper procedures to acquire additional resources instead of overloading the current team. 5. During a team development activity, John, a senior engineer, openly criticizes the contributions of other team members. How should the project manager handle this situation? A. Ignore the criticism since John is a senior engineer. B. Immediately reprimand John in front of the team. C. Discuss John's behavior privately and explain its impact on the team. D. Ask the team to vote on whether John should remain on the project. Answer: C. Discuss John's behavior privately and explain its impact on the team. Explanation: private discussions about inappropriate behavior are more effective and professional than public confrontation. 6. Rachel is managing a project where team members are often pulled away for other organizational priorities. How can she ensure commitment to the project? A. Assign more tasks to those who remain. B. Schedule a meeting with the resource managers to address the issue. C. Continue with the remaining team members and escalate to the sponsor later. D. Hire external resources to replace those unavailable. Answer: B. Schedule a meeting with the resource managers to address the issue. Explanation: discussing resource availability with resource managers helps ensure that resources remain committed to the project. 7. Adam is leading a distributed project team across several time zones. Communication issues have started affecting the project. What should Adam do? A. Reduce the number of meetings to avoid communication overload. B. Implement clear communication guidelines and time zone-friendly meetings. C. Assign only local team members to critical tasks. D. Request the team to work in the same time zone. Answer: B. Implement clear communication guidelines and time zone-friendly meetings. Explanation: clear communication guidelines and meeting times that suit multiple time zones improve collaboration in distributed teams. 8. Jennifer's project requires a specific technical skill set. However, the available resources lack this skill. What should she do first? A. Provide training to the current team members. B. Look for external resources with the required skill set. C. Adjust the project scope to fit the available skills. D. Request more time to hire additional team members. Answer: A. Provide training to the current team members. Explanation: training current team members improves their skills and helps maintain internal resources for future tasks. 9. Mike has developed a resource management plan, but halfway through the project, one of the key resources resigns. What should he do? A. Immediately delay the project. B. Reassess the resource needs and acquire new resources. C. Cancel the project until a replacement is found. D. Assign more tasks to the remaining team members. Answer: B. Reassess the resource needs and acquire new resources. Explanation: reassessing and acquiring new resources ensures the project can continue without unnecessary delays. 10. Jane's team seems demotivated after working on a high-pressure project for several months. What is the best way to re-engage the team? A. Increase their workload to meet the deadlines. B. Offer the team more autonomy in decision-making. C. Provide extra days off to recharge. D. Ignore the issue and hope their motivation improves. Answer: B. Offer the team more autonomy in decision-making. Explanation: allowing the team to make decisions can improve engagement and boost morale. 11. David is estimating activity resources and realizes the workload for a specific task exceeds the team's capacity. What should he do? A. Extend the deadline for that task. B. Break the task down into smaller parts and reassign it. C. Add more team members to that task without informing the sponsor. D. Ignore the issue since the team will eventually catch up. Answer: B. Break the task down into smaller parts and reassign it. Explanation: breaking down the task into manageable parts allows for better distribution and timely completion. 12. Olivia has been assigned a project that requires cross-functional teams. Each team is managed by a different department head, and resource conflicts arise frequently. What should Olivia do? A. Escalate the issue to the sponsor. B. Work directly with the department heads to resolve the conflicts. C. Assign fewer tasks to each team to avoid conflicts. D. Replace the department heads with team leaders from the project. Answer: B. Work directly with the department heads to resolve the conflicts. Explanation: Collaboration with department heads ensures smooth coordination and resource allocation. 13. George is tasked with acquiring resources for a project. However, the budget does not allow for the number of resources required. What should George do? A. Acquire fewer resources and extend the schedule. B. Present a change request to increase the budget for resource acquisition. C. Complete the project with the available resources. D. Outsource some tasks to cut costs. Answer: B. Present a change request to increase the budget for resource acquisition. Explanation: Requesting a change in budget ensures the project has the necessary resources without impacting quality or schedule. 14. Sophia is in charge of managing a team in a project where cultural differences are affecting collaboration. What is the best course of action? A. Ignore the differences and focus on project tasks. B. Facilitate cultural awareness workshops. C. Assign tasks based on cultural backgrounds. D. Reassign team members who are not adjusting well. Answer: B. Facilitate cultural awareness workshops. Explanation: Cultural awareness workshops help bridge gaps in understanding and improve team collaboration. 15. Kevin is managing a new project, but one of his team members consistently misses deadlines due to a heavy workload. What should Kevin do? A. Reassign the team member to fewer tasks. B. Provide additional training on time management. C. Adjust the project schedule to accommodate the team member. D. Discuss workload balancing with the team member to resolve the issue. Answer: D. Discuss workload balancing with the team member to resolve the issue. Explanation: Open discussions about workload help identify the root cause of delays and create a balanced plan. 16. Claire is working on a project and wants to motivate her team. What is the best action to take? A. Offer monetary rewards for meeting deadlines. B. Increase the team's workload to keep them engaged. C. Recognize and appreciate individual and team contributions. D. Set stricter deadlines to improve productivity. Answer: C. Recognize and appreciate individual and team contributions. Explanation: Acknowledging team efforts improves morale and motivation. 17. Sarah is managing a project where team conflicts are beginning to affect performance. What should she do? A. Let the team resolve the conflict on their own. B. Call a meeting to openly discuss and resolve the conflicts. C. Reassign team members to different tasks to avoid conflicts. D. Escalate the issue to the sponsor. Answer B. Call a meeting to openly discuss and resolve the conflicts. Explanation. Open discussions encourage problem solving and foster better teamwork. 18. Tim is preparing a resource breakdown structure for his project. The project has both internal and external team members. What should he do? A. Focus only on internal team members in the breakdown. B. Include both internal and external resources in the structure. C. Prioritize external team members in the breakdown. D. Delay the resource breakdown until all external team members are confirmed. Answer B. Include both internal and external resources in the structure. Explanation. A comprehensive resource breakdown should include all team members, both internal and external. 19. A project manager, Brian, needs to acquire additional resources mid-project, but the budget is constrained. What should he do first? A. Reallocate existing resources to meet the new needs. B. Escalate the issue to the project sponsor for additional funds. C. Delay the project until more resources become available. D. Cancel non-essential tasks to free up resources. Answer. A. Reallocate existing resources to meet the new needs. Explanation. Reallocating resources within the project is a cost-effective first step before escalating. 20. Rebecca's project team has just been formed and team members are unclear about their roles. What should she do first? A. Wait for the team to figure out their roles on their own. B. Define clear roles and responsibilities in the project charter. C. Assign roles based on each team member's experience. D. Escalate the issue to the project sponsor for guidance. Answer. B. Define clear roles and responsibilities in the project charter. Explanation. Clearly defining roles early ensures the team understands their responsibilities, reducing confusion. Thank you for watching. All the best with your PMP exam preparations. Please subscribe to our channel.